Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another share. It is still Spellbinders. This one is the Stitching monthly club kit. I don't stitch, so you'll see what I did. Also, while I was videoing, my camera just shut off, so you'll see that too. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the process. I'll be back at the end. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Hopefully you guys had a great 4th over this past weekend, and that you know, you guys enjoyed whatever you guys did, whether it be with family or alone. I got to craft all weekend, which is what I would choose to do whenever. I also got to go see Beauty and the Beast. They showed it at ASU Gamage this past week, and I went Thursday night, and I think Friday was the last showing. But yeah, I enjoyed myself. It was so beautiful. I love it. But anyway, yep, back to the video. Reel myself in. Okay, enjoy the process.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this.
I forgot to share with you, but yeah, this is the kit. And these are the dies that it comes with and what it cuts out. And it is the Stitching month club kit. I don't know if you can see the stitching, but yeah, I definitely did not do stitching. Okay, but these are what they turned out. So I got this one, and I just drew with the pen for the drum. I didn't make strings or the leaf vines on the leaves, but I think it looks fine. So that one, I got 3 cards out of this session. This one. And this is the last one. They're all celebrate cards. Celebrate your special day. Let's celebrate and let's celebrate you. And they're masculine. I feel like they can be used for guys too, even though it has the flowers. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, but so hope you guys are having a crafty week. For more videos like these, I hope you guys are staying cool wherever you guys are in the US. I hope your heat wave is coming to an end. Mines will be back. I guess that was a little trade-off for the East Coast. I've not had 100-degree weather for 4th of July since I've been in Arizona. And I've been here over 20 years. So that says something, but I hope you guys are staying safe out there and keeping your guys self cool and hydrated. I hope you guys enjoyed these cards, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Uy.